Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in the key fob for various Audi models. This fob is for my 2018 A4 all-road, however many of the B9 and up A4, A5, and their S variants, along with the Q5, all share this key fob. First thing you're going to want to do, flip the key over, find the two tabs to remove the physical key, push them in, and remove the key. Now to remove the battery tray, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to push those two tabs in and pull out the battery tray. Now if this has been in your pocket a lot, then it most likely has a bunch of lint and other debris, so you might need to use some sort of tool to help pull this out. Just be careful since this is thin plastic and can break pretty easily. You're going to need a CR2032 size battery. These are common. You can find these pretty much in any store that sells batteries. I already replaced this earlier, so I'm not going to do it again in this video, but you're going to want to note that there's a plus sign on the battery tray. You're going to want to match that up with the positive side of the battery, like that. And then you just need to put it back in the key fob. And you might need to push those tabs in to make sure it's fully in place. Take the key, slide it in, and there you go. Now if you hit one of the buttons, you'll notice the red light right there flashing, and that will let you know that you installed it correctly.